Fly Rod Chronicles. We are in Bakersville, North Carolina. Today on Fly Rod Chronicles, we are headed to River's Edge Outfitters in Cherokee, North Carolina to launch the new Cherokee chapter of Project Healing Waters. We get to go over to Fayetteville to take in some marabou madness. This week on Fly Rod Chronicles, we travel through the state of North Carolina with our good friends from Project Healing Waters. First off, we meet up with Tom Carpenter in Winston-Salem to capture the regional casting competition. I hope you all enjoy looking back at some of my favorite moments in the great state of North Carolina, as I do. We got him! Yeah! What do you think of that? Here, give me a high five, buddy. Yeah, what are you thinking now? Oh, it's a big one. She got a big, holy smoke! Look at this thing. That's a big rainbow.
Oh, hey, baby.
Did you take my ride?
Sorry about that, Curtis. I didn't mean to, buddy.
Sorry about that? Oh my goodness! Yes, look at this.
Where are you?
Oh my goodness!
Oh my gosh.
I need you around.
Oh my goodness!
We could build a house away from here. You and me in the middle of nowhere, fighting frost.
Nice cast.
Oh, there he is! Oh,
Nice
that's
fish.
a good one.
Nice
That's
fish.
a good one. Oh,
Very nice.
look at him. Took me straight into the rocks.
Oh, that's a beautiful. Look at that. Look at that.
How wild is that, buddy? Huh?
I'm gonna stay low because we're probably some more fish in this.
Oh, Joe.
Yeah, this is a little male. See his little hook jaw?
Yes, yes.
But as we talked earlier, look the colors on this fish.
Wake up, my mind's on you. Caffeine, do you need that crossword clue?
So does the town manager in Spruce Pines, he get special treatment? What is this, Richard? You get the bigger fish? How's that work?
I won't make you look bad, I hope.
You want to see us catch a fish? Can you take a break, catch a fish real quick? All right, watch this now. Hold on. Now wait a minute. Are you guys gonna clap if I catch one? Everybody will clap. All right, get ready. Get ready. Hey, fish, fish. Hey, look at him clapping. Hey, come on. Hey, welcome to Cherokee, North Carolina. Hey, no, he's not getting away. Clap louder. Come on. Hey, there we go. Good stuff. Hey, do you know where I caught my first fish? Right here in Cherokee, North Carolina in 1968. George Washington was president. You guys want to look at it? There you go. There it is.
I don't care, I just wanna get warm with you.
Oh,
Hey, had a girl. Fish on.
I'll let him go if he goes, and then there you go. Just
Oh, it's a big one. You got two. Gee, she's got two.
Be real easy. Don't.
keep them coming a little bit.
Hand off the reel.
Walk backwards just a little bit.
You got a double.
There we go. That's how you do that.
So we build a house and get a home, and it grows as we grow. It shows. Yeah, we build a home away from it all. At least that's what I hope for. And now I'm at your front door. This is unfamiliar. How I never get bored with you. Yeah, I just want it.
It's amazing to see where Project Healing Waters has come and today where it's going to go. And people like yourself and the volunteers, you're the future of Project Healing Waters.
Well, we've got a lot of vets yet to serve, so anybody that's
willing to help or interested in helping, jump in.
Yeah.
Or, if you're a veteran interested in getting involved in the program and being a part of it, we're always looking to have you.
Yeah. Thank you, brother. I
Thank you,
appreciate you, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Holding back and getting older. Not some sun screaming the Lord will overtake you.